Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.